Right, guys, this is more of a progress report. Before I forget, welcome to Mashoko Motors, and thank you for your support, comments, and everything that you put out on the channel. Uh, the vehicle is running after 10 plus years of it sitting. Finally, I was able to get the motor cranked, and I'm very excited with the progress. And the vehicle, the engine sounds really awesome, and the response, the revs, you will hear the initial. It was cold. I think the degrees was about 40 degrees Celsius. So it was a little bit chilly, and but it was able to get to a point where it got up to temperature, and it was able to hold idle. So I'll take you out so you can see the progress and see where we are with the restoration of the vehicle. Guys, welcome to Mashoko Motors. Now we got it running and warmed up a little bit. Now it's able to hold idle, and sounds really good. Sounds really good, and about 40 degrees right now, but she is holding idle and sounds really good. Yeah, rev count. Oil, water temperature, battery, fuel. The only thing that's not working is the clock. So we can turn on the radio. So the radio works. Turn on this guy right here. Works. So now it sounds really good. So we're gonna go ahead and probably strip it again and put new valve cover gaskets. And it's not leaking, but just to make sure that it's running at its optimum, I'm gonna put new valve cover gaskets and replace whatever I can replace. But she is running, guys. Everything is coming along really good. And one more time, if you wanna hear the